Mama's a bit worried. I have her outside the pen. Puppies don't need her. She can get out and go around. I'll put her back in later. There's that Poppy Sunshine. There's your mama over there. Go get your mama. There's your Poppy Sunshine's gonna get Cecil and Dolly. Get Dolly. There you go. Oh, get Dolly. Dolly's your grandma. Wait, no, don't walk on all around by my feet. Go play. Get out of the garbage can. Go play, little one. Go play. Go play. No, baby, you're too little. Get out. You guys are too little. Especially you, Flower. These babies are too little. You're too little. Get out. You got a poo butt? You do. Neil, I already cleaned your butt. And you got a poo butt again. What? Flower says let me out. No, you can't get out and run around. You're too little. You're way too little. What? Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Who pooped underneath that bed? Hey, baby. Who's my little babies? I think Neil's got another dirty butt. Didn't I trim your butt good enough? I guess not. I guess you're alright. Oh, there's Neil. Let me see. Yeah, I guess I did trim it good enough. Come here. Come here. Did you lay down? No, good, you didn't. Somebody went underneath there and pooped, and I have to clean that out. Somebody went underneath the bed and poopied. Miss Flower. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. Just a little stinker. Just a little stinker. Oh, really? Tell us about it. Really? It's a Flower baby. I'm 7 weeks old and I've been around plenty. I weigh a whole pound. Hey, Neil. He's a pound and a half. Betsy. What? You talk to us? You talking to us? You bark? Can you bark? Can you bark? Can you bark? Hello, you do have a dirty butt. Darn you, I just washed your butt yesterday and trimmed it. Another butt bath for Neil. He'll have plenty of practice before he goes home. In 10 days. Hi, Poppy Sunshine. Poppy's out tormenting. So I wish she would get out from under my feet. I can't tape her when she's on my feet. Don't chew my toes. Come on, you little munchkin. There she goes. There, she found her mama. Did you find your mama? Did you find your mama? Hey, Miss Poppy. Hi, babies. Hi, Betsy. Oh, that's that cute little Flower girl. Too many people wondering I just have to keep her myself. You think so? No, you need your own home. You do. Beat your brother up. There you go. Oh. They may be little, but they're mighty. Must have been a little poodle that got their mother. Well, they said it was a big one. These are awful little. Awful little. Where's that Poppy? There she is. Get lucky. That's not lucky. Baby, baby, babies. There's Miss Flower. Kneel. I like to go underneath the bed. Where's that Miss Poppy? There she is. There she is. She's supposed to be tormenting the adults, but she isn't doing a very good job of it. She's following me around instead. She's supposed to be tormenting the adults. Where's she going? Come here, baby. No, don't go under the chair. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Poppy. There's Poppy, Poppy, Poppy. Come here. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Here. There's a toy. Get that. There's a toy. Get that. Beat it up. Come here. Yes, there's your mama. Both of your mamas. There's your mama. Beat her up. There you go. There you go. That's your mama. Poor girl. She's a male dog, and they're not used to having puppies until they're 8 weeks old. They're used to getting taken away from them at 5. She's not quite sure what to do. She's like, don't bite on me. But at least out here, she can get away from her. In the mill, they're in that little box. And I think that's why they sometimes kill them. They can't get away from the babies. And they torment them. They torment them. Oh! This is little Poppy Sunshine. She says, I'm ready to go home. My brother got home, and I need somebody to take me home. Don't you? Don't you? Alright, you can go back in with your brothers and sisters here and play.